how to return Shein items. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video we are going to learn how we can return Shein items, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you bought something from the Shein platform and then now you decide that you want to return it, first of all it has to be eligible for a refund. There has to be a valid reason as to why you are returning it. So you open the Shein app and then you just come to the Me tab from the bottom right of the screen here. Now if you look at the top, you'll find an option where it says My Orders. So tap the View All button next to your orders and you just have to look for the order that you would like to cancel. Now in my case I don't have it. If you find a certain order that has already been shipped to you, then in that case you can select that, select the option called refund, and then after you do that it will go to the returns tab here, and when it goes to the return tab you should be able to select a reason as to why you want to return that order, and then you will be able to return it. This way you can return Shein items. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end and see you soon in the next video.